The EEOC's EEO Education Consortium Education Subcommittee is excited to bring to you the first in a series of free 2-hour webinars designed to help you create a model workplace. Please join us online Wednesday, January 6th, 2021, 1 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for a free webinar on preventing workplace harassment and establishing an effective anti-harassment program. The speaker for this event will be Marcus Artis, Branch Chief with the EEOC's Office of Federal Operations Agency Oversight Division. This is an event you do not want to miss. Register today to secure your link to join this highly informative and interactive web event. This event will also be live streamed on Facebook at facebook.com/EEOC-OFO. By registering for this event, you agree to be registered for free membership with the U.S. EEOC EEO Education Consortium.